this is Mr. Huff. Let's talk about a new note-taking system for engineering that will get you through all the notes in exactly 4 pages with a lot of white space. So what I want you to do is first you're going to read it. So you're going to go through survey, skim, scan the material, look through all of it. What you're doing is looking for your main ideas or generating some big overarching questions to explore. And then you're looking for supporting facts, and then you're looking for new vocabulary, helpful details, useful diagrams, or graphs that might be helpful in the context of the notes. Once you've done that, you should have a list of main ideas in your head. So we're going to take 3 pages of notes. So what you have to do, if you have a bunch of main ideas, you need to pick the 3 most important or the 3 most important key questions. And then you are going to write the title at the top. So this might be, this is going to be like your assignment name. Then you're going to take your first idea or guiding question, you're going to write it in the center of the page, divide the page into quadrants. So you're going to have 4 quadrants. And then in each quadrant, you're going to put an important fact that relates to the main idea or guiding question. So each one of these facts supports this main idea. And then for each fact, list some details or put a diagram or a graph. You might explore some vocabulary right here, but I expect these sections to have some white space in here. It's probably not going to be a densely filled page. This is a page that kind of says, here's the main idea, here's 4 supporting facts, here's a few details about these facts. So if you can get to that, that tells me you have gone through the content to get to this first. Okay? And you're only going to do this for the 3 most important facts. You'll have, or the 3 most important main ideas. So you'll have 1 page for the first main idea, another page for your second main idea, and a 3rd page for your 3rd main idea. Remember that I want you to end your notes with concept connections, and these are the concept connections that we're using as a model. And then if you come up with your own, that's fine too. I want to kind of slant this a little differently. You're going to connect your main ideas instead of the concepts. So focus on the main ideas. So you have 3 main ideas. I want you to connect all 3 in some way into concept connections. So it might be, how do main idea 1 and main idea 2 interact? What's the purpose of main idea 2 and main idea 3? So you're going to have your 4th page is going to have the title, it'll have the prompt from the concept connection, and then explain it in about 3 sentences. It might look like this one on the bottom. What is the purpose of a sprint retrospective in the recurring meeting? So we write the question out and then explain it with about 3 sentences. Then you have 4 pages of notes. There should be a lot of white space. You've tackled 15 big ideas at this point and connected those 3 main ideas together. So let me know if you have any questions on what I'm looking for here, but this will be a concise way to complete 4 pages of notes very quickly for engineering. This shouldn't take more than 20 or 30 minutes to do. All right. Thanks for watching.